Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Play. Today we are going to be playing with slime. Here it is, and here's some Play-Doh. And we're just going to be making the #1 mold, because that's all I have. Okay. First we're going to put the slime in. So first, my slime's really sticky. And I made the slime. Here it is. Let me drop it all in there. There you go. I'll pour just a little bit slime. Oh, there it is. Now, stuck on my finger. There. I'm gonna be making the #1 mold. Okay, I guess that didn't work. But let's tell the difference about Play-Doh and slime. So slime is stickier. Yeah, slime is really stickier. And Play-Doh is like not stickier than slime. And slime like falls, how it's falling right now, and Play-Doh doesn't. Play-Doh just stays in place. So yeah. Play-Doh's also like softer, I guess. So yeah. And also guys, if you want me to do like a other video about feeding my Baby Alive doll or playing with slime with more accessories or doing something, just comment down below and tell me what toy do you want me to play with. And subscribe, share, and comment. Bye!